Yamaha outboards are synonymous with reliability and longevity. Keeping your outboard in top condition will help provide an outstanding ownership experience and help maintain its value over time. Your yearly service is an important step to make sure your Yamaha outboard is ready when you are. So, what does Yamaha recommend during your yearly service? At this point, you've enjoyed your engine for many hours on the water. Now it's time to inspect your engine, change the fluids and filters according to Yamaha's recommendations, and generally make sure all of the parts and systems are operating correctly. Just like with the initial 20-hour service, the fluids will be changed, including engine oil and lower unit gear lube. Yamaha also recommends your 10-micron water-separating fuel filter be changed at this interval, as well as an inspection of the fuel system and propeller. But unlike the initial service, many of your outboard's wear components, such as the thermostats, pressure control valve, impeller, spark plugs, and timing belt, are inspected and replaced if necessary. Spending a relatively small amount of time making sure your outboard is in proper condition is simple to do, and you'll have more hours of trouble-free enjoyment on the water. You'll help preserve your investment. Your boat will be ready when you are, and it's easier and costs less to maintain than repair. For more information, visit maintenance.yamahooutboards.com. And to help you remember proper maintenance intervals and document your outboard service history, download the My Yamaha Outboards mobile app and set up an account. As a Yamaha outboard owner, you'll be able to record and document your maintenance history, view detailed boating checklists, and receive important information about your Yamaha outboard.